Mbia mano sana umwanchu mulia vigetaseni kia Ndizi TV asogochora egetaseni keiga no gosemere kwa nemna kwa bere kugotuara obuligirire ubuya egetaseni keiga nebiro binde nende tokumira na asemesa ya mangana maya elinde ngomanye nare yabereka gokorekana kura chingongo chonsi enye chinsi chinga kitoroche omugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja abaga kwena na ebyego bene bunenchera ya mayogo sangana bali batali kwenyara anene mono chinga kya bakenya bagendete kuyalgania ase esugu kwenene na boigo omukagerwa wekina gyomwana Junior Sagini nigo abaga kubekubyara na beko ikiwa bosibwe kegambero ase ogosomerwa mashtaka gose amamocho ayuale mutuyaye na boigo ekyombe kyabali mugia TSC igekoragwa no munyakirugo Jamlek Muturi nigo ayane kiribuna nigo bamentere amatuko ase bali bakoligia emirimo y'obwalimu enda kwane kibuna ngo ikerani bale amarubabo na baiga masakarabo ase chi county Abaigo ikiombe kia banyagitali kia KMPDU nigo kia kwa sereiri go chaka omogiro elinde kwa tegererwa ne serikali enene kiagera babere bakwera buna nigo amagani yabo atanya kwa tegera kuchakira omwaka wechiri bubere na 15 mwanchu muligere nyira sinsemo chiche mitandawa sensemo ya Facebook na bogotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na boga sensemo ya YouTube na bogotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bogotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Gwira nanda segekeke elinde ngomanya senchera iyo wenye Erietariane Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa chebiaro kerelio nigo tokubwatanere Joshua Auta mwanchumuli karansa oike elinde ngomanye amange toko chaka kigemani toko chakira county ya Nairobi chinga kyaba Kenya bagendeta kwerobelia ase esugu kwenene erebosio nigo mugavana we county yo Johnson Sakaja abereka gweso kyabene na bago gosanga na bali batali kwenyara munenchera ya moyo kweneki na barabongo egokele bale esugu kweyo anigo akolekana ase ensemo ya City Hall imeyumucho Nairobi chinga kichogo sierebene esuguku asamatukale bosio
kwamba tuwe kama watu wa Nairobi tunaishi pamoja kwa undugu kwa umoja na tunaishi kama watu ambao wanajali maslahi ya wale wengine.
Let's not be tired of doing good things because that is what then should define us. Ukiona taifa ambayo ina nguvu au county ambayo ina nguvu haipimwi na ile hela iko nayo, haipimwi na magari ama manyumba. Nguvu ya serikali inapimwa na juhudi ambazo inafanyia wale ambao hawajiwezi. That is how you know the true strength of a government or of a nation.
Singa kiecho boigo nigo mugavana Sakaja ali eira yogo chugwakana chibil ase abaroire bali batangire ase chinyagitali che serikali ime county ya Nairobi unenchera ya moyo chukwane kimna na barabo ngo chibali gosangana bamwabo chinga kieche suguku.
Leo hii pia natangaza ya kwamba kuna watu wengi sana katika mji wetu wa Nairobi ambao hawawezi kupata nafasi na familia zao wakati wa Christmas kwa sababu wamefungiwa kwa mahospitali. Wamefungiwa kwa hospitali kwa sababu wamekosa uwezo wa kulipa bill zao. Natangaza leo wote ambao wako kwa hospitali yetu ambao wamekuwa detained because of the bills, I will pay those bills on your behalf. Watu waachiliwe waende nyumbani wakule Christmas na familia zao. So leo hii wote waachiliwe, wale wako Mama Lucy, wale wako Mbagathi na popote kwingine county hospitals so that they can go have Christmas. Hiyo bill nimeuliza, nimezungumza na acting chief officer Dr. Koyo na pia CEC Dr. Nyalita wameniorodheshea. Si ati tunafanya tu bure, mimi ndo nitalipa kama gavana wenu wa Nairobi. Sio ni jambo nzuri? So we are saying all of those who are detained at our hospitals in the county for their bills range from 5,000, others go up to 60,000, 80,000. And who thought they would have missed Christmas, let them know they will have Christmas. You will have Christmas with your families. So tafadhali muwatangazie na mtu asiwalipishe wale ambao walikuwa detained. Sawa sawa? Hii hafla itaendelea. Na sisi haitakuwa ati tunakumbuka tu wale ambao hawajiwezi wakati tu wa Krismasi. Ukiangalia katika zile docket ambazo tumetengeneza, tuko na docket inaitwa talent, skills and care. Care means looking out for the next person.
Gotigana nayo mwancho murigera ni gotokwirana gwike county ya Kisii ase omwana junior sagineganete konyora obogwenia ase omochobosongo na bwo gokorwanirira oboene bwaye kurinde ekigambiro imi omochobosongo nigo gyasabire ogotangwa komukagerwa omonene ase ekina ky'omwana junior sagini rinde kwene kibuna obotuki ngokorekana bure nigo baruro gochika ogotangwa kwaye ase amatuko atano chingaki omukagerwa yo Alex Maina agotebekana buna nero olingo yo mwali okorokana no mwana uyu.
Detained at Rioma police station for a period of 5 days to enable the police officers complete the investigations. The OCS Rioma police station shall ensure that the respondent's security is ensured during this period. 3, we mentioned the matter on Friday, 23rd of December, for directions on the outcome of investigations. I'm assuming that date is convenient, Ms. Ndukira? Oh, thank you.
Nagosemero kwaito buna omwana junior sagini nachikonyora obwene bwaye konde togotikana nayo nagosuka mutuni gongo kumanyi buna omunyakerwa ubuye kyombe gia TSC Jamle Kimuturi nigo aene kiribuna nigo amatuko amentirwe ase okwene kibuna bali bakoligia emirimo ase nsemo ya borokia ngonyara ko babale bagotuma amasakarabo buna enchera ebwenete ngokwana nigo aene kibuna niga amasakara yo abwenete kwene no gwestia ase chibunge nonde bwensi ora chikwenyorera libagelyo na chikwenekerwa kurwa ase a county.
La county, then when it comes to posting, then you can distribute them equally.
Yeah, thank you, Chair. I think there's a question which was not answered from the previous round, a question asked by the Honorable Nabi. The Commission has informed us this morning that they were given a go-ahead to recruit 30,000 teachers in December. There were interns who were supposed to be recruited, the 6,000 interns who were supposed to be recruited from June from June this year. And that question was asked by Nabi earlier, but it was not answered. I think we were informed in the last meeting that since 2001, recruitment has been demand-driven, and that recruitments are done as per the guidelines on teacher recruitment and selection policy with regard to budget. We have a situation here where a budget was provided in June, and TSC decided to hold that recruitment until December when they were given another 30,000 slots to recruit. Why did the TSC hold these 6,000 interns when the suffering and the gap in
Ekiombe ky'abanyagitari gya KMPDU nigo kyarura matuko emerongo etatu erinde gochaka omogomo bo bene bakoragwa no mulikyo monene David Atera nigo baene kibuna onyamagania abo tari gochigotegererwa kuri omwaka w'ekiri 2015 nigo barachigochaka omogomo bene asibagania eserikali county nabo igo eserikali nene kubweterana ase kwende kibuna amagania abo ngotegererwa ali.
We wish to state that KMPDU continues to be available for the remainder of the month since we issued our notice of intentions to strike on 28th of November 2022. And so far, we appreciate that the Ministry of Labor has appointed a conciliator. But up to date, we've not had any engagements. And therefore, in the absence of this, KMPDU reiterates that the industrial action that has been contemplated and the notice has been issued will actually go on, and we will have to go on strike or to carry out any other industrial actions that we deem necessary in the month of January. And we want to tell the public that when that happens, it will not be the doctors who are on strike. It will be the government, both the national and the county government, that are on strike, because giving them 30 days of notice for engagement is sufficient for a resolution. It will be in bad faith.
Abonchereria kurensemo ya Gilgil County ya Nakuru nigo banyolire hasara nene kubatikana umuriro obagokweneki gwa sensemeyo na gwesamba ebinto ebinge kolengana na baroboni chinga kibali gusangana bali kibamangana nigo baba bakoerera hasara yo chinga kibaerera buna nigo egali yo kulimya umuriro yabage konyorwa asebaganirie serikali ya county gwesona nigati nabego kurwo bokonye sokweneki buna oboncherere bwabo nkogenderera buri
desktops na printing machines, photocopy na vile vile zile files zetu ambazo tulikuwa tumestore katika ofisi zetu. Kwa hivyo tukiangalia hasara hiyo inaweza enda karibu hata 1600.
Watu wengi tumepata na hiyo mkaza na hatujui vile tutaanza kwa sababu wengine wetu tuko chini. Wengine tuko na maroni kwa bank, hatujui vile itakavyokuwa.
Wafanyikazi wa Gilgil wakati wanakata license na wanawekewa pesa ya gari la kuzima gari la moto. Lakini unapata moto ukiibuka hatujawahi pata usaidizi. Maana hili gari kabla litoke na Nakuru, kabla litoke na Ivasha, huwa moto umeenea na biashara nyingi zimepotea.
Ile capital imeungua hapa si kidogo. Kwa hivyo tutatarajia kwamba county government sababu ndio iko na jukumu ya disaster management watachukua nafasi hii warekebishe hii gap ambayo imekuwa hapa. Lakini pia wanajeshi wetu sababu mimi ninawatetea sana sababu wametusaidia mambo mengine. Lakini kitu kingine kama hii bureaucracy niliongea na commandant wa NYS jana. Saa nyingine iharakishwe sababu moto haungojei ati sijui isainiwe na nani, moto haungojei.
Chinga kiecho boigo aboncherera kurwa sensemo ya Kapsabet nigo bono babiri bakwemurunga niko bwatkana no kunererwa kurwa saba bisabe county okwana nigo bairabuna nonya babiri bakubwatia amachiko korwa ase county nigo babiri bakominyokigwa na boigo korwa ebinto bakonia ase bairabuna nigo ebinto bakonia babiri bakoegwa chibesa cheli kabeso asoko egendereria irachikoba akongu asamatuka sio kuirene chibesa icho cheli kabeso.
Tulikushukuru rais wetu vile ulitupatia hiyo fund yenye ulitupatia, lakini tunanunua vitu na vitu inarudi kuchukuliwa. Tunashindwa sasa hiyo deni tutalipa na nini? Na tutafanyaje watoto na tuko na watoto kwa nyumba wanatutegemea, wanataka kusoma, wanataka kukula, wanataka kuvaa.
Tunashangaa sana wakati tunapouza vitu vyetu, county government, county council wanakuja wanabeba vitu yetu na wanapeleka kule ambapo wanapeleka. Tukifuatilia tunapatiwa mawheelbarrow peke yake na vitu yetu imeshakuliwa. Wamekula na wanasema hawajui ilienda wapi na wamekuja kutushika.
Hatuna mwelekeo sasa mpaka hata saa hii hata mama Amayia anataka kurudi kwa janga. Sababu saa hii sasa ukitaka kuuza wanakuambia ukate receipt ya 100 kwa wiki. Tena ukikata hiyo 100 wanakuja kufurusha.
Oyore Omo Acting County Commissioner Obusia Kipchumba Ruto nigo atuguteire ale chitengo gose disco matanga ase aganirie abamenye benseme yo gotwara omorembe chinga kichonsi anena mono chinga kichiga chisuguku asale koerera buna nigo disco matanga chabere chigwetwa ni chinga ki agokwana nigo agania abamenye abukobwaterana asokweneki omorembe butambe ase chinga kichyo na boigo omugavana kuri county ya Mombasa Abdul Samid Nasir abereka gukwanira iguru yingana yo morembe.
Tanga imepitwa na wakati. It was a traditional thing glorified by the community, but today Disco Matanga is also having problems. People should devise other ways of fundraising for a departed member of the community.
Mombasa iungane, kila mmoja, kidole cha Muislamu kukiuma, kichwa cha Mkristo kinaweza kuuma pia vile vile.
Umwanche muri yakorwa soro batirio nigo na ikira mweli obamangana maya asibire biga kolendengo gosabato basagoskato basakonyagera ikoraga ensa emo ayona mange no nyara senchera yobikiranu inyara asensemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na bega asensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke magechi kamera sokwane kibna ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sura senchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tobe tukubate nere Joshua Auta asensemo chibiorokerelio na nchiria ne Fridah Kerubo nkukoganilia obuligerelia obia.
Sunlight Academy Day and Boarding ni skuru y'uburoso igutuka Nyamache county ya Kisii nigebwate ibirasi bya preschool gwike kirasi kya gatano na gatatu nigo bare asagia abwatobo twerera bugosomera aborokia nigo baisaine riba gari yo kugosoreria nebintu byo kugosoreria nigo babwata mabaga asibirasi ao ayerera onyoreru umwana uribaga asiskuru iyo irianyora megelio no gosomigwa Chisemi nigo chire chengencho mono naigo asumwano wo aguchinyora guikaba asare yengencho mbabwate gari skuru eje okonya soba sombi bwabwango batalire nsemu ya Nyamache chimita chimia isano na isato choka kurwa asibara ya Kisii Kilgoris gusoba kirisimi asenamba enoti isano na ibere enoti isano na isato isano nemo isano marakabere isano nemo marakabere Sunlight Academy Day and Boarding Primary School ya kini die bienko biegisemi Nkuri yule nyumba kugura obule mukugura ugose property management tuwe chanda nonya ekiagira Green Track Estate Agencies na wabamanyi wamanganaya asigi kigitambe no bale ime yumuchukisi asamagacho Ahuru Plaza lirongoli ya gatatu room number 307A ugosoba kiresimi asenamba enoti isano na ibere marakabere inye noti isato isano nemo Green Track Estate Agencies banyore bakwangwerie okonyora giliutagete